So, okay, here's another scenario for you. Really, really interesting here is if you look what I got right here. I got another absolute value function, but I got this crazy 9 on this side. So why don't we just get rid of that 9? How? Simple. Subtract it from both sides. Look what you have. 4x minus 5 absolute value equals to minus 7. Now, most people say, okay, I'm going to have a plus value here, 4x minus 5 equals to minus 7. Then I'll add my 5 to both sides, right? This will be 4x equals to minus 2. Divide by 4, x equals to minus a half, right? Everything's cool. But I want to show you something else that's interesting here. Don't forget your piecewise function. You have to have a minus here, 4x minus 5, okay, equals to minus 7. And if you do that, you got minus 4x plus 5 equals to minus 7. Again, solve, right? Cancel that out, giving you minus 4x equals to minus 12. Divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4, and you've got x equals to positive 3. So you should, in fact, have two possible answers, this one here and this one here. But I want to show you something really, really cool on the calculator here. And you're just going to freak out when you see this. Check this out. Let's clear this guy again. Let's get rid of this garbage. Clear here, down here, clear here. Let's put in our absolute value. So, okay, math, mouse it over to absolute value. Boom. Okay, 4x minus 5, put it in there. Come down here, put your minus 7 in here. Let's graph it, and you're going to be shocked. Watch this. So here comes our absolute value function. Look at our minus 7. Even though algebraically this gives two answers, this line doesn't cut the graph, not even once. So that tells me you absolutely no answers. Both of these are extraneous roots, which I thought was a really, really cool question. So let's sum up exactly what we have here so far. Look what you can have. You can have a nice little a nice little absolute value function that comes through like this and cuts and gives you two answers. You can have an absolute value function that does this with another line that maybe does something like this and has only one, or you can have an absolute value function that looks like this with a line down here. So you can have either two solutions, one solution, or no solutions at all. That's the cool part.